Home jump start Cardiff. So guys, let me show you. I brought this box into my bedroom today because it's a bit wet outside to do this video. So I want to show you how we do home jump starts, okay, and what you get for the money. So we don't just come up with jump leads like some people do, which are obviously, you know, they got a 2-litre engine and they're starting your 1 litre, they could blow your ECU. You could blow a lot of things. So obviously that's why we use this jump pack for safety, okay, to protect your car. But then the battery could be dead for a number of reasons, okay. So it could be the alternator or the battery itself or the internal resistance. So we do check, okay, with this one, we check the internal resistance, okay, of the battery. We also do, this does the alternator, the internal resistance, the battery and the crank. So we will get all that data to make sure the battery has enough internal resistance there and power to be starting a starter motor. And we'll also check the alternator to make sure it's power in the car, because you just don't want to go off your alternator, because we can jump start your car, it can be fine, but if your alternator is packed in, half hour up the road you'll have no lights and obviously it's dangerous driving. So we will not let you go until we check your alternator out and everything with that. But we'll also double check it with this, okay? So we check it with this one first because it's quicker test. So we do the battery load and the alternator with that to the specs of your battery as well, okay? So we do look at the battery. Then we do this one because there's extra tests on this one. We'll do that, okay? So obviously I always bring extra fuses because sometimes it could be a blown fuse causing a drain, or you'd have a blown fuse or something else. For taking the battery terminals off, you know, I use one of the best ratchet spanner sets you can get, so obviously there's no risk of rounding off anything, okay. Sometimes I need to get to under your glove box or your fuse box, so some torque bits here which comes off. I got a multimeter, but this is also a clamp meter to check for parasitic drain on your negative wire, okay. And I got battery terminal cleaners and spare battery terminals just in case. And to top it off, guys, you'll get a free full system diagnosis with the Yortel Maxi DAS, okay. This is, let me try and open this for you and I'll show you what this is. This alone, check on your car, I'll do this for free of charge. This is worth £40 alone, so that's just what you're going to get, a full system check on your car, okay guys. And between 9 to 5, obviously my fees are £40. After 5 it goes up to 60 till 10 o'clock. From 10 till early hours in the morning, that'll be 60 to £80 depending what mood I'm in and how long the job takes me. So if you need a home jump start, guys, in Cardiff, I'm not just going to come up with jump leads and risk blowing your car and letting you go. I will actually try and find the problem for you first, and also you get a full system check on your car with this for free. So guys, call the number below. It'll be on this page somewhere. If you're on YouTube, it'll be in the description. If you're on my website, it'll be around here. It comes to me direct, guys, and I'll come and see you as quick as I can. Thank you very much.